Hello guys, my name is Josephine. And I'm Kylie. Today we're going to show you how to make lumpia with simple ingredients. These are the ingredients. 1 pound of ground pork, onions, carrots, black pepper, salt, egg, soy sauce, and oyster sauce. We need a lumpia wrapper to make it lumpia.
No, we forgot.
So all these things turned into the dough inside the lumpia. Please. All these things turned into little things inside the lumpia. And over there, we are going to need lumpia wrappers. Okay, let's get started on this. Before we start, please wash your hands. First, we're going to put the onions in.
Pour it all in.
Where? In there. We're silly. Oh. Carrots. Next, we're going to put the carrots. We're making it because my dad has a potluck tomorrow.
He's gonna bring lumpia for potluck at work.
Okay, this actually quite looks like a volcano.
Let's mix it.
I'm gonna mix. Nope. Next. Let's put the salt. Ready? Set. Go. Next is the pepper. Ready? Okay. And so you can use your hands, but you have to wash your hands. Remember.
Is that a unicorn?
No.
Wow.
Unicorn actually does this. La 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 la. You know, lumpia is a Filipino food.
It is too good. You guys should try this. It is so good.
Make this and let us know in the comments how was it.
Okay.
Ready.
Is ready. Next, we're gonna put in the soy sauce.
First, I'm gonna make a hole for you to put it in. Let's mix it.
Next, we're gonna put in the oyster sauce. Now it's time to put in the egg.
Now let's mix it. Do this, guys.
Oh, wait. Mew. Is that tighter?
Yes. How do I look?
Kind of looks like you're a mom.
We wrap it. We have to chill it in the fridge
for 4 hours.
That'll take forever. 1, 2, 3. My pocket. You might know we have pockets. They hold a lot of space.
Yeah, they look small, but they are big inside. If an ant goes in there, it'll be a museum. It'll be so huge.
Wink on the other eye.
It'll be like a whole new world. I'm singing, I won't sing that.
We're going to cover and put in the wrap for 4 hours. No mess. I'll help you. Always ask for help. Oh my, this is big. Big, baby. Now let's put in the wrap. This is how you wrap the lumpia. So don't do it in a square. Do it like a diamond. Like tip it over like this. Well, what's another way to call diamond? And then you scoop some of this, and then put it like that. Then over here.
I'm doing it upside down because you guys can see it upside down. You do it like this, and then fold it then you fold it like this. Then you keep rolling. Wait. Spice! Okay, then you put the triangle over here. The leftovers, the middle. Then keep rolling till you stop. You find a triangle. Then you get your water, dip your finger, put it in the triangle so it can stick. Gonna be needing loads of fingers for that. It's firefighters here! Okay, that's how you make. Then you fold it like this.
But then I can't stop. More peeling.
No, I can do it, okay? I can do it.
Unless I said, let's do it together.
Yeah.
I like
Lumpia.
pancit and lumpia.
Yeah, it goes well with lemons.
Oh yeah.
Pancit goes well with lemons.
Again? Blah, blah, blah.
So, there's different kinds of lumpias.
Really?
We're doing pork. There's like fish, vegetables, like any kind. Or like noodles inside them.
Okay, here's all the lumpia we made. All lumpia. If I just poured. There's lumpia.
Now we are done wrapping the lumpia. Now we're gonna fry it.
Come on, let's go. Okay, the lumpia's cooked now. Time to eat. Let's try it. Well, wash your hands before you eat again. Now let's eat now since I wash my hands. Ah, hot! So good. Eat lumpia since I lost 6 teeth already. Look.
Comment down below if you guys like this or not. Make it and comment down below.
Tell us if it's good or bad. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to share and like and subscribe on this video.